For as long as I can remember, I've always wanted to try to sew with this vintage sewing machine. It belonged to my great-grandmother's and it's from the end of the 19th century. A few months ago I had a try and I made a video where I told you my experience with it, and it was fun, but it's true that the belt is a bit loose and the bobbin wind rubber ring, it's terrible, it's in terrible condition. So I went to my local single shop and they had everything I need. The belt was only €8, the rubber ring €2, and they even had some bobbins, the vintage bobbins, but they were €5 each. So I only got myself two. I'll have one threaded in white and another one in black or grey, I guess, and that's it. So I'm going to start by taking the thread off so I can take the belt off. Oh, wow, madre mía. Wow, so much lint. The cloth was blue before, you know. Now with gloves, because I'm going to be told off, aren't I? I thought they would be big, but no, they're not. I've been recommended this product to clean metal bits, to make them shiny, and clean again. So it says here, apart from all the bad things that can happen to you by using it, that those things are better not to read them, aren't they? Just grab what you need and wipe until everything disappears. Okay, until everything disappears. What a smell! Until it disappears, and then wipe with a clean cloth. So. We can definitely make another video, sewing as a way of fitness. So this little area still needs some more elbow grease, but for now I'm just going to leave it like that. And this one, look at it, it's all shiny, it looks really pretty. So I'm going to start changing the belt and the little winder thing to see how I can manage. Oh, it was so worn that it broke, of course. Come on, get in. There we go. There you are. And now the belt, it brings the staple sort of thing to put it together, and I think that maybe I'm going to be lucky. Well, I guess this is all the same standard measurements, so I guess they are all the same, all of these machines. So it brings the staple already in with the two holes, so I guess that I don't have to make any more holes. So let's see if I'm lucky, because I'm a bit afraid of that, because you never know the tension you have to put in and all of this. I'm going to lift the staple bit here so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah. I have to cut. I'm not afraid of cutting, I'm afraid of making the hole. That was easy. Now the hole. I was able to make the hole. I was a bit scared of doing it just because, I don't know, you think you might ruin it or something like that, but it was fairly easy. So I did one first and then it looked a bit loose, so I made a second one, but it's okay. And now with this I'm going to, is it called pliers? I think so. Let's go with it. I'm going to close the staple so it can go around the machine. That's good. So let me thread it and see if I notice it sewing well. So is it worth trying to fix your old sewing machine? Of course it is, because apparently they are really good for tough fabrics like leather. So I'm going to keep trying to sew little by little, a little every day, so I can get used to the pedal and sewing with it, so I can then sew something properly with it, which is a bit scary right now, but I don't want to let it get old, let the idea sink, but just go on with it. So let me know down in the comments what you thought, if you've tried changing the belt, if you've done any sewing with one of these vintage machines, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll leave you here a link to other talking about sewing videos that you might like. I'll see you around.